Yo, what up people, and welcome to Pdee04 Gaming. We are back with another BeamNG episode. Subaru Legacy, that's the name of the car, and we are getting ready to go and pick up some items. You will see, it's a surprise what I'm going to pick. So yeah, I'm just making sure the trunk is empty, and it is empty indeed. So nice. Let's. Yo, my guy.
Yeah, my guy, okay.
Oh, I'm good, man. What's up?
Man, even me, I'm good, man. Actually, I was just worried, man. It's getting late, man. I think since we're off duty, we can just hit the road. But I just want us to pass by that place. I wanna collect that tire, and then we can go home. I'm really tired today.
Yeah, let's go get the items, man. Let's go.
Yeah, let's move. Hey, I love the new rims you put on this thing, Baba. Yeah, it's cookie.
Danko. BBS, BBS. You know the deal, man. Yeah, wow. Look at the interior of this car, bro. I love it. I love the interior of this car, by the way. So yeah, that's how the interior looks, and we are getting ready to hit the road. Alright, I was listening to the engine. Are you in touch?
Yeah, let's go.
How are we gonna exit here, bro? I think we're exiting this way. Is there any road here? Yeah, there is. Will I survive though? If I'm getting lost, let me know, bro.
I'm not sure. I didn't turn on the GPS.
Okay, we're gonna get lost here. Yeah, we're going to get lost one way or another. We're going to get lost, I'm telling you. Is the guy even coming though? I don't see the guy behind me. He looks like he's coming. So don't forget, guys, if you do like the content, drop me a like, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and do text or say something in the comment section, guys. Let's keep the flow. It also motivates me to keep cooking more and more content for you guys. So yeah, just plug me with those likes, subscriptions, and memberships. Did you know that you can join membership on the channel, guys? You can just click on the $sign there, then you can sign up as a member of the channel. Also helps with our production. I need to look back at the guy. Yeah, it's right behind me, right on my gosh. But I don't think I think we'll get lost here, especially with me leading. I think we're gonna get lost, but let's try. Let's see. But I think we're gonna get lost. Where's the brother? The brother is so quiet behind me there. Hey, tunnels. I hate tunnels, bro. I hate tunnels with a passion, man. Ew, look at how dark it is in here, man. I hate tunnels with a passion. I don't like tunnels. I don't know why, but I don't like tunnels at all, guys. I do not like tunnels. Hey, my guy, pass. It's fine. You can pass, Baba. You can pass. Hey, I don't want problems. Pass.
Don't know. Let's go. I'm not sure where we're going at this point.
Bro, I'm even hating this tunnel, bro. This tunnel is not nice, bro. And it's way too long, man.
Tunnel is too dark, ne?
Hey, and it's way too long, bro. Hey, finally we're out of the tunnel, yo. Whew. Sigh of relief. least we're out of the tunnel now, but how are we gonna connect to... Eish, that's gonna be bad, man. Are we going to get there from here?
I don't know. I'm asking you, Baba.
You know my GPS is not working, bro.
It's not working.
Yeah, it's not working, ish. And I doubt we're going to make it from here, man.
Because we were supposed to get there before we can come back home.
Yeah,
now we're
because
gonna
I can see now we're at the houses now, ish.
Yeah, now we're at the houses. Let me just stop on the side of the road and then see if we're on the right space.
Let's just stop by here.
Let's make sure.
So that the guy can make sure he knows where we're going though. It's chai. Anyway, do you like this car, guys? What are your thoughts on the car? What are your thoughts on the car? Or did I put the correct wheels for the car? Maybe. Maybe not.
Let's go straight. Make a turn there, make a turn. Off ramp. Straight.
Hey, the guy is telling me things. Make a U-turn off ramp. Now I'm confused. Now I'm confused which one are we taking, because the guy says make a U-turn. Now off ramp. Anyway, let's see what happened. This guy is moving way too much now. And it's not even stable, bro. We just want to hit 200, then we slow down. Wow. Let's slow down, guys. We keep going straight.
Yeah.
Let the guy come through. The brother is coming in what there. There goes the brother.
Yeah, we are turning here.
Why are the lights on? This thing is always hungry for the road. Missed it. We're supposed to refrain.
Where is Wangena?
The guy is resting, bro.
Did you off ramp there?
Yeah. Going into town now.
Yeah, let's keep coming there.
These roads are confusing.
Off ramping at McDonald's.
Copy. And I'm supposed to get something.
Approaching Gogo's place.
For my go there.
Waiting for you at the corner here.
Ramping at McDonald's. Right here. Okay. Let's go. Hey, this is a dose of adrenaline. Will we ever get to that island? I don't think so. I don't think we will ever get to that island because it's like we're driving through one place. The way I see it, ever get to that island, bro.
This GPS is nonsense, Baba.
Hey, it's cooking.
It's cooking, bro.
Oh, I'm even thinking of going home and rest now.
I think you can go and take them tomorrow, those things, ne?
Because, bro, we've been driving through the same place over and over again, bro. This thing is cooking, yeah.
And we're still far, bro, from this point where I am.
Yeah, what are your thoughts, bro? Should we go today or what should we do?
I don't know, bro. I don't know, bro. I'm thinking of going. I'm thinking,
we're suffering. This GPS.
Yeah, bro. If Pella, remember when we were down street that side, we could have came that side, bro. Simple, we just go straight because the road is taking us to turn right here.
Okay, let's try. Let's go.
Copy that.
Sure, we're going to come back to the houses again, yeah. The way things are happening, yeah.
Let's go, Baba.
I'll just come back to the houses again. I'll go through a cave at 1:30, bro. Hey! Want to crush me? Hey! Hey! The brother is cooking, yeah? The brother is cooking. We're going back to the houses now. I know.
Bro, let's just go another day. This GPS is drunk. It's telling me that we are going wrong way again.
Let's just go back to the houses and chillax, man.
We wanna go and buy the real GPS. This one is drunk.
Hey. Just go back home and chillax, yeah?
This one is drunk, man.
Showing you flames, ne?
I'm no longer trusting it.
On my car, there is no GPS, so can't even help with anything, bro. What's that thing behind me? Hey, what's that thing behind me, bro? The guy is cooking. Yeah.
Hola.
Sure, man. Where did the guy go? Went to his house, I'm sure. Woo! What I wanted to try didn't work, guys. I wanted to pack it like that, but then I failed, guys. So yeah, let me just pack it like that. Anyway, so thank you so much for watching this episode, guys, where we got lost. We couldn't complete the mission, but either way, I hope you did enjoy the drive. It wasn't full of too many kasongos, but either way, thank you so much for watching. 04 is out.